Hi, this is Cheryl. Welcome to our Web of Science citation database demonstration. This database provides access to over 8,000 journals. So let's get started. We're on the King Library homepage. So we're going to select Articles and Databases and W, and then Web of Science. So it's defaulted to the basic search, which is the topic of this video. So let's start with our topic, which is gamification. And because it's going to produce a lot of results with just that, I'm going to add libraries, which will help target it and reduce the results to a more manageable level. And you click search. And as you can see on the left-hand side, we've produced 32 results, but we can refine this even more by going through this refine results section. There's publication years, categories, document types, authors, but I think I would like to reduce it to just the information science, library science category. Click refine. And now the results went from 32 to 14. Next, I'm going to go with the first article, and let's see if we can get it in full text. All right, so here we are. That is the basic search. In the next video, we'll discuss more of the Web of Science database search tools.